The Meltio Engine Robot transforms a robotic arm into a high-performance metal 3D printing system with no inherent size constraints, limited only by the motion system's range. Ideal for large-scale printing, part repair, laser cladding, and feature addition, it overcomes traditional manufacturing limitations to produce complex geometries with ease. Additionally, it provides an efficient solution for restoring obsolete components, enhancing industrial sustainability. The Meltio engine offers 1.4 kilowatts blue laser power, with factory-calibrated enhanced diodes for higher deposition rates, enabling faster printing and compatibility with a broader range of materials. Its advanced process stability and control ensures consistent, high-quality prints while preventing material shortages before they occur. Also, the Meltio Engine Robot integrates with the Meltio Robot Cell, reducing integration risks, standardizing production, and simplifying adoption for seamless robotic 3D printing.